Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this New Year's Eve look. It looks so good to me. I think it's gonna match the dress that I ordered for New Year's like absolutely perfectly. So it's probably the look I'm gonna end up doing. It's really simple. It's not a hard look to achieve. I used the Dose of Colors Ideal Duo in this, and it's so easy and it looks amazing. It's like so sparkly. I'm not really sure if the camera picks it up that well. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. It will mean so much to me. Also follow me on my social media. It's always linked down below. It's at Alyssa Sabino on Instagram and Snapchat. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So first we're gonna start off with priming our face. I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Primer Water to start. Next I'm gonna be going in with the Primerizer by Smashbox. So next for foundation, I'm gonna be going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in 2N1 and 1N1, and then mixing the two. So going in with this Artis Oval 4 brush, I'm gonna be applying the foundation. Okay, so next I'm going in with my concealer. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics concealer in Gypsum and Bone. So Bone is just like a little lighter. So going in with my Patrick Star and MAC setting powder. That garbage truck is driving me nuts. Like, are you done? Are you done? Now going in with my Kat Von D powder to set my face. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna be going in with my Bomb Ass Brows Kit by Desi and Benefit. Literally obsessed with this kit. Like, I need to get my eyebrows done so bad, but you wouldn't know because of this kit. Everyone's like, wow, your eyebrows look so good. I'm like, don't come too close because you'll see all the hairs and they gotta go. Okay, so to start on the eyes, I'm gonna be going in with this Smashbox matte, what is it? Smashbox Cover Shot Matte Eye Palette. This look is gonna be very easy with a lot of like minimal steps, so it's like not super hard to recreate because I know how like intimidating and like infuriating, honestly, like smoky eyes can get. So, okay, so first things first, I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here on a fluffy brush, and really lightly running that through my crease. Okay, so now going in with this black shade, and ever so slightly, I'm gonna be putting that on the same brush, but in my outer corner. Okay, so next I'm gonna be going in with this Ideal Duo by Dose of Colors, and this is in Stellar. I'm gonna be taking a flat concealer brush. I'm gonna be adding a thin layer. It's very important to do a thin layer of this on your eyelid. Okay, so going in with the pigment. Oh, bloody hell. That is phenomenal. So I feel like I look a little crazy right now, and it's probably because, like, you know, I do. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some mascara and eyelashes. I'm using the Benefit Bang Mascara and the House of Lashes Bambi Lashes. Ooh. Okay, lashes are on. We're gonna finish the eyes really quick because I feel so odd with like no dimension to my face. But going in with that first color we used in a pencil brush, and I'm just gonna lightly run that underneath my lash line. All right, now to finish off the face, I'm going in with my Hourglass Luminous Bronzer. For blush, you guessed it, Winter Kissed by Kylie Cosmetics. For highlighter, I'm going in with the Anastasia and Resi highlight. Going in again to set my face one more time. Now, last but not least, to highlight my inner corner of my eye, I'm going to be going in with Blue Sapphire by the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. So for my lip, I'm going in with MAC Stripped Down Lip Liner. And for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the Tarteist Pillow Chalk Lip Paint. And this is the final result. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. And I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season, Christmas, New Year's, and I'll see you guys in my next video.